Over at the Sabarmati Bullet train station, the development is progressing well. The first floor and concourse floor slabs have been completed, marking another step forward in its construction. Sabarmati Station is planned as a comprehensive transit hub. It will connect efficiently with the Sabarmati railway station, the metro, the BRTS, and the Sabarmati multimodal hub. Located just 9 kilometers from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport and 6 kilometers from the Narendra Modi Stadium, the station will enhance accessibility across Ahmedabad. Connecting these two stations is the bridge over the Sabarmati River, where construction teams are working diligently to complete this vital link. Near the Sabarmati station, the Sabarmati Rolling Stock Depot, the largest depot along the corridor, is progressing steadily. This facility will play a crucial role in maintaining and servicing the high-speed trains, ensuring reliable operations across the network. Together, Ahmedabad and Sabarmati stations are paving the way for a future where passengers can enjoy smoother, faster, and more convenient travel experiences.